In this final section, we'll reveal some of the knowledge that will make your leadership responsibilities much easier to deliver and uphold. Firstly, the secrets of good meetings. Meetings are poorly understood by many managers who hold them with an overwhelming focus on the what and the where of the meeting, and with scant regard to the why, how, and who. This video exposes some obvious factors that easily get neglected. Your team or organisation can only be as good as the people around you. Recruitment is therefore a challenge for all leaders. Once again, the received wisdom on recruitment is badly lacking, frequently emphasising the wrong factors in an attempt to minimise risk. Find out the most important considerations in hiring people. Next, we examine leadership styles and how this is a personal challenge for leaders to break free of their habitual styles and adopt those that will have the required impact. The less influence your personality has on your leadership, the more flexible, adaptable, and effective you can be. In the final video, we explore personal development and the critical part it plays in real leadership. Leadership starts with self, and the better you know yourself, the more impact you can have on those around you to get the job done, in the face of all kinds of difficulties and challenges. Finally, just a quick reminder that you can contact me on chris@chrispierce.co.uk with any questions or comments, and please don't forget to leave a review when you're ready.